Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 1st June 2025. Title of Murli. Fix a date for becoming complete and perfect and be ever ready according to the time. Bap Dada said, "This Brahman life of yours is the most special and invaluable. The speciality of this Brahman life is purity. This purity is the reality and personality of Brahman life. The more purity there is, the more happiness and peace will be natural and real in life." Further, Baba said, "You have become Brahmans. Now the aim is to become an angel." An angel means one who has no connection with the old world and old sanskars. One who always remains double light in thoughts, words and relationships. An angel means one who is loved by all, not just a few. The more loved, the more detached he is. Whoever sees him, whoever meets him, or whoever comes in contact with him, they will all experience that this is mine. Finally, Baba said, the main obstacle that comes in the effort to become an angel is of two words: I and mine. Transform this I and mine. When you say the word I, it should come out that I am a soul, and secondly, whenever you call something mine, first say my Baba. Make this nature natural. Blessing for today. May you be a well-wisher for everyone and also have positive thoughts for yourself and thereby bring the time of revelation close. Details are: the basis of success in the service you do is to have an attitude of good wishes, because this attitude of yours will increase the power in others to imbibe it and to want to find out more. Service done with words in this way will easily be successful. A soul who has positive thoughts for himself will always be Mayapru F and will also become immune to imbibing anyone's weaknesses or being attracted to any person or possession. When you put both of these blessings into your practical life, the time for revelation will come. Slogan is: surrender even your thoughts, and all weaknesses will automatically leave you. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Practice being in the stage of soul consciousness. Be introverted. In order to experience God's love, increase the practice of being introverted, detached from your body, and remain stable in the soul conscious stage. Constantly stay in the cave of introversion, and you will continue to go beyond the atmosphere of this old world. You will not be affected by the atmosphere.